Hey guys, this is my hair. I'm getting ready to wash it. I think we're probably at about 6 weeks since I had my coils installed. So yeah, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like after I wash it. Okay guys, this is my hair after my wash. It's been about 3 weeks since my retwist. And this is what it's looking like after I washed it. These ones pretty much still intact. I think maybe one came out, but yeah, that's what it's looking like. I had started my second Loc journey. If you've been on my page, I did make a short about me starting my second Loc journey with comb coils. This is what it's looking like at about 3 months, 4 months, going into my 4th month. So it's been about 3 months. Just washed it. About to get a retwist. This is how it's looking. Lots of budding going on. I still have some unraveling. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see. There we go. So yeah. My hair is about 90% dry. Still damp a little bit. Let's see if I can show you the back. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, I just wanted to come back really quick and show you guys. I really don't have no routine right now. So, you know, just wash when needed. In the beginning, I used a stocking cap, and I'm still trying to figure out what gels really work for my hair. So far, nothing. No gels. My hair don't like, so we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. Drop down in the comments what you guys think about my second Loc journey.